Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll see the question over here. This is in the given figure, if POQ is a straight line, then POT is equal to. So now see here, this is given here. The figure is given over here. This POQ is a straight line. So whenever this is a straight line means this whole thing, this should be 180 degree. So now what will you do here? We'll write the same thing in the given figure. POQ is a straight line. So we have, so when this is 180 means this plus this, that should be 180. So now this is written over here. So now see here, let us bring the like terms together. So this x plus x is going to be 2x. Then when we add this, that is going to be 92 and this is 180. So now let us keep 2x on the left hand side and this is already on the right hand side. If we take this on the right hand side, it is going to be minus 92. So 2x is going to be 88 and x will be 44. So that x is 44. So now let us see, they have asked for POT. So POT is this one, this angle. So can you see this one? So this is the opposite one. This is x plus 24. So this also should be x plus 24 because they are the opposite angles. So now we got the value of x. So now what we can say here, that angle POT is equal to x SOQ, that is x plus 24. So we know the value of x as 44. So here we'll put 44 and this is 24. So the answer should be 68. So POT is 68 degree. So here we have completed this question over here. So please do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.